Are you thinking about trying a detox? Here's 3 things you should know before you start. 1 is that your body already has the capabilities and the instruments required for the detoxification process inside of it. Your kidneys and your liver, one of their main functions in the body is detoxification. So, while the supplement, the detox supplement, may contain some ingredients that assist in that process, that assistance is nothing compared to what your body is already capable of naturally. Number 2 is that the majority of the success that you notice while on a detox doesn't actually come from the detox supplement itself. It comes from the diet that you're following while on the detox. A diet that generally is calorically restricted or calorically controlled. 2, it's mostly consisting of wholesome natural ingredients. And 3, it's loading you up with micronutrients from vegetables and fruit. Okay, so the majority of the success is coming from the diet, not the actual detox supplement. And the third thing is, if this helps you get started, if following a detox helps you get started and helps you start to adopt a healthy, active lifestyle, then do it. I'm all in for something that helps someone adopt that lifestyle. Because the reality is, if you want to maintain any of the results you'll get from a detox, you need to fully adopt a healthy and active lifestyle. The sooner that you can adopt a healthy and active lifestyle, the sooner you will get results and you will maintain them for the rest of your life. Okay, so if you found that this has been useful for you, if you like these tips, or if you have any experience with detox, please like and comment in the section below.